Four Corners 3D. Online 3D printing service. Instant quotes and fast delivery. Get your parts fast, with Four Corners 3D's online 3D printing. Instant quotes. Submit your STL file for an instant online 3D printing quote. Price your 3D printed parts online, quick and easy. Fast turnaround. Most online 3D printing orders are delivered in 3 to 7 days. Pickup and rush options may be available. Custom solutions. Our team will assist you in bringing your 3D printing, 3D modeling, or augmented reality project to reality. 3D printing. Bring your project to life, with our online 3D printing service for your parts, or making an assembly. Order 3D printed parts online, and get them shipped straight to your door. 3D modeling. Our team will custom tailor a solution to your 3D project. We'll help design your project with you through every step of the way, from prototyping to small-scale production. AR face filters. Have an idea that's going to make you the next big influencer, or blow up your brand? We'll make you an augmented reality filter that'll blow your audience away. Get a ready-to-use Instagram or Facebook augmented reality filter. Let's work on your next 3D project. Contact us for a custom project, or submit your files for an instant online 3D printing quote. Happy making!